I wanted to be. I really wanted to be the raccoon.
There we go.
Wait. I swear to God. Okay.
No, you guys should know those. I hope not.
Okay. Oh, a black hole.
Oh,
I mean, can you just show us some black dude's asshole?
Is this like a billy goat?
Shut up.
is it a bunny?
Alright.
That's a high bunny. This
Is it a bunny rabbit?
is like a Homer bunny. What is this?
Oh my God! Holy fuck!
This is like a book.
Shut up! I can't draw.
Then draw better. I don't know.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
It has like this on its tail.
I know the word. I just can't right now.
Oh. What's that?
It's Justin.
I was just looking through the fucking photos and trying to draw this shit, and the first thing I fucking see was this. So I was trying to keep my shit together.
I think that we both haven't guessed it yet.
You guys can't fucking draw Justin Bieber for shit. I always get Justin Bieber! Why? Why do I have to have some gay dude come on my Scribblio?
I just searched up Justin Bieber.
I have a better hairline than him. For fuck's sake. Shut up, Zach. It's not funny. I have this fucker every time, and I can't choose something else. You know Wonder Pets? You know that fucking little hamster?
Wonder Pets was the shit. Wonder Pets.
I can't breathe. Stop.
Shut up, Zach. I can't. You're making me laugh. I can't see it.
Take it seriously. We're unranked.
I'm over here laughing too bad. My fucking cheeks are rolling up in my eyes like a fruit roll.
Ross, remember that one time we made you laugh so bad that you couldn't see and you fell on your toes? Fuck, I messed up.
I need help! Ah! Rape! 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 Dante! Guys!
You guys know Wonder Pets?
Hey, I advise you do not. Your use is better.
Oh shit!
One shot, and he's dead.
Austin, oh my god, Austin, your flip deck is amazing.
Holy shit!
I like it.
Austin doesn't even know what cards he has.
Yeah, this is no curse.
He's like, thank you.
How do you see?
We're just looking at the back of your deck.
How do you know what cards I have?
Yeah, your flip deck is pretty good. Don't use two of your cards.
He's like...
You guys are fucking... You're probably a
No,
whore.
we're not. We're looking at the back of your deck. And oh my god.
I was just like, thank you.
Austin, your back deck, your flip deck is
Holy shit! That was the funniest shit I've heard all day. Come here, Dante.
inside that building. Go inside that building.
Oh shit! Is he after me? me! Dante, is he after me?